Hello, welcome to my channel. I'm the trader next door Vilash. In this video, I'll be analyzing the chart of NZD USD, New Zealand dollar US dollar for 23rd March 2021. So this analysis is for 23rd March only. You'll see me tomorrow again with the analysis for 24th March. So please do subscribe to my YouTube channel for regular market analysis and do check out the Forex analysis playlist for the analysis of other currency pairs. So let me take out the pencil. So you can see that right now market is trading at 0.7069. Okay, and you can see market is trading below the 0.7100. In my previous videos, I have mentioned it very clearly. The market has got some extreme support available at this level. Okay, and right now market is trading below the support. Okay, I have already shown in my previous videos the amount of support market was having. Okay, market was in range and every time it was taking support at this 0.7100 level and it was bouncing back. But just look at the size of these candles here this time. Wait. Okay. Remember, I always tell to understand the market psychologies. Understanding the market psychology is very important. Just look at the size of this candle. Okay, this candles signify that selling pressure was very high and as a result market could break the support. Okay, and right now market is trading below the support. So what should we do then? Okay, right now you can see that market is in oversold zone right now. Okay, market is in oversold zone, so this is not the ideal position to short the market because market will go up to take some rest, and if the selling pressure comes again, market will fall back. Okay, so first of all, right now instead of shorting the market immediately, we should wait for a stochastic RSI. We should wait for a stochastic RSI to go to the overbought zone. Okay, so when stochastic RSI will be in overbought zone, then it will be very important. Okay, because then only we will understand what should we do next. Okay, because when stochastic RSI will be in overbought zone. Okay, and if you see that market is still trading below this level. Okay, below this 0.7100 level. Okay, then you can short the market. Okay, because the support has become the resistance now. So try to understand the point. Wait for the stochastic RSI as it is in oversold zone right now. Wait for the stochastic RSI to go to the overbought zone. Okay, when stochastic RSI will be in overbought zone, just look at the position of the price. If you see that stochastic RSI is getting resistance from the 0.7100 level or from this level, okay, then you can short the market. Once you get the confirmation in the form of a shooting star kind of a pattern or price rejection from below. Okay, that will give us the confirmation that yes, the support has become a resistance now and it is safe to short the market below this line. Okay, it's kind of a pullback strategy. Okay, so that is very essential. Okay, and if you see that market has crossed this line. Okay, market has crossed this line, stochastic RSI is in overbought zone and market is trading above the 7100 level, trading above this level now. Okay, then again you need to wait. As we all know, most of the major currency pairs are in a consolidation phase. They are in a dull manner. Okay, not giving us much movement. So if we see that NZD USD moves up to this level 7100 level. Okay, when stochastic RSI will overbought zone, then again we'll have to wait. Waiting is a part of the trading strategy also. Okay, patience is the key to success. Okay, so there is a famous saying that your trades must be boring. If your trades excite you, then you are on the wrong track. Okay, so this is it. So hopefully you've understood, and if you've liked the video and found the video informative, please give a thumbs up and please subscribe to my channel for regular market analysis. Thank you so much. See you tomorrow. Good luck. And do not forget to subscribe.